Hey guys, Simon from Van Creations here. Today we've just finished work on this Transporter T6. And is this a conversion that you would have? Is this a type of conversion layout that you would have in your vehicle? So this is the van that we've just finished doing some conversion work for. The customer bought his own furniture and we've had to strip that out and refit, and we've done all the lighting, carpet lining and electrical installation. And this is a rear U-shaped seating layout, so something a little bit different compared to our normal conversions. Our normal conversions, we have the traditional sort of rib rock and roll bed at the back there, the 112, and the full width furniture with the front cooker and hob sink section. On this one, this is the U-shaped seating, which allows for everybody to sit in the back, and you do lose the two seats with the seat belts, but obviously it's a little bit more of a usable space in the back for everybody to sit around and face each other, rather than just facing forward and then facing the swivel seat. So slightly different layout. Is this something that you would choose to have in your conversion, or would you rather go for the traditional layout? Let us know in the comments below. This one doesn't have a sink, hob sink or anything, but that is something that you could fit if required. And this one's got the fridge at the front there, 50-litre fridge. Diesel heating that we've just installed, and then on this it's got the electrical sockets around this side, so we've just put this in with the screen and your diesel heating. That doesn't really show up on the camera, but that actually shows all the voltage of the system as well. So this could be the layout for you if you're not into your traditional furniture of the seat going across and full length wardrobes and everything. This might be an option that would work better for you if there's just a couple of you and you want more of a seating option in the back. What I'll do is I'll show you with the door open, because at the moment we've got the door closed, we've got the lights on, but it's a little bit dark in here because it's so bright outside, and at night with these lights on it'll be plenty bright enough. But I'll just open the back doors. From the back, got a cushion that goes all the way across the back. You can still access storage underneath here in these units, so they drop down and you can access through the front or back there to load all your bulky items. Each seat has storage underneath it as well, so underneath there is storage that you can access into those areas again. We've installed a power outlet here, and then you've got a seating cushion that runs right across the back here, and seating that goes round. Little table in the middle that you could put in and bring it up. This one folds out, so remove this cushion, fold that over, and that creates one big bed in this area here. Okay guys, that's it for today. This is another camper van layout that you could possibly choose from compared to the standard furniture. If there's anything we can do to help, please email us campers@vancreations.co.uk and we'll take a look at it. Any other questions, please let us know. Cheers, thanks for watching, see you next time.